It's now 6:36 a.m. on your hot Thursday morning.
Hot already, even at 6:30 in the morning.
I know. When you start the day off in the mid-70s, the upper 70s, you know you're in for a scorcher of an afternoon, especially with the humidity we're going to be seeing across central Georgia. 95 is what we did yesterday. It felt like 105, 106, 107. That's what we're going to do again today. Picked up about 1/3 of an inch of rain there at Middle Georgia Regional Airport yesterday. Here's a live look at Dublin this morning. Temperature of 77 already. We'll be in the 80s in the blink of an eye. 70s area wide right now, from 79 in Americus up to 73 in Monticello this morning, and everywhere else is somewhere in between with a lot of 77s on the map as we start this Thursday. The dew points, 70s on that map as well, which means it is very humid out there. A dew point of 76 in Americus right now. It's like walking out into the middle of the Atlantic Ocean outside as we wake up on this Thursday morning. Now, the radar picture, mostly quiet, picking up on a few showers, one there in Lamar County, also in Monroe County, and that's going to do it. But as we head into the day today, we're going to see more showers and storms begin to develop. Also going to see the temperatures rise very quickly. A heat advisory in effect for all of central Georgia, from Eatonton down to Abbeville, Vidalia over to Thomaston. Heat indices 105 to 109. That's going to run from noon until about 7 p.m. tonight here in central Georgia. Let's go hour by hour and take a look at the heat index values, starting at in the 90s between 9 and 10 a.m., starting in the 100s between 10 and 11 a.m., and we're going to stay there on through 7 tonight. 108 is going to be the feels like temperature there right around 3 and 4 p.m. here in central Georgia. Now, a majority of us in a level 1 severe weather risk for the day today, because we have a bit more of an organized threat. A level 2 up to the north, including Hancock County, parts of northern Washington County, and Putnam County getting in on that as well. The threat for damaging winds, small hail, and some lightning across the area. Here's how that looks on future view as we head through the morning hours. 1 or 2 showers will be possible. We'll really begin to develop some activity right around the noon hour. But like yesterday, we saw a majority of the activity between noon and about 3 p.m. Today is going to kind of be the opposite. We'll see a few showers between noon and then, but majority of the activity is going to happen later on tonight. Here's 10 p.m. and then on into the midnight hour, a few showers lingering through the overnight hours here in central Georgia. Then on Friday, kind of the same song and dance. We're going to do the same shower and storm activity through the afternoon hours, some locally heavy downpours, definitely some frequent lightning. But then once we get into Friday night, things will begin to fade away, and maybe a few showers to start your Saturday morning early here in central Georgia. Then Saturday, that's when things begin to change. Notice we saw a few storms move from north to south, the winds changing directions as well. That's a front rolling in here to central Georgia, and the million-dollar question over the next few days is going to be, can this front get through central Georgia? As of right now, the GFS of the European are keeping the access from Savannah down through Albany, down through southern Mississippi. So in that case, it would keep us drier next week, relatively, not completely dry. But then it begins to pull it back north. Here we go on Tuesday with some more rain chances across central Georgia, and then again on Wednesday. So a lot to watch, a lot to figure out with that front. The way it boils down right now is a 60% chance of rain for today and for tomorrow. That's up to 70% as the front itself comes through on Saturday. Now, we've picked up a lot of rainfall recently. So far, about 2 1/4 inches in the first few days of July. That's above average. We're also 2 1/4 inches above the year-to-date average. Temperatures today warming into the 80s rather quickly. We'll be at 80 by about 9 a.m. into the 90s by the noon hour, but again, at about 10 degrees for the feels like temperatures. 96 is going to be our eventual high temperature with more storms in the picture. Keep the umbrella handy if you're headed out today. Tonight, 75 degrees is going to be the overnight low. Here's a look at the weekend forecast. 94 for Saturday, 89 for Sunday, a 70% chance of storms on Saturday. Then next week, a 40% chance of rain Monday through Wednesday. Those 80s hanging around through Monday. Then we are right back into the 90s for Wednesday. Now, the hurricane season started June 1st, and experts told us to prepare for an active one this year. Be sure to watch our Eye on the Tropics special tonight at 5:30 on 13 WMAZ. Ben, Taylor, Jordan, myself, we have you covered on everything you need to know, from preparing to explaining storm names, El Nino, La Nina, the whole thing. Again, you can watch our Eye on the Tropics special this Thursday tonight at 5:30 right here on 13 WMAZ.